Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can get a fishing rod and how to fish in Red Dead Redemption 2. It's pretty easy. First of all, in order to get the fishing rod, you just need to either you can just progress in the game and get the fishing rod like by progressing, or you can also follow the simple trick like you just need to look for the person who is fishing and just simply kill it. Once you kill the person, you can go near it and you're gonna see his fishing rod. So pick it up and that way your fishing rod will be unlocked or you will get fishing rod. Now once you have it, equip the fishing rod by holding L1 on controller or tab on PC to open the weapon wheel. From there, press R1 on controller or R on PC to switch over to the item section. You'll find the fishing rod in the same slot as bait. Next we need to put the bait onto the fishing rod, and here keep in mind that different bait works better for different types of fish, and the kind of fish you catch also depends on the body of water you are fishing in. If you're trying to catch a legendary fish, you'll need a special lure which you can buy from the bait shop in Lagras. Now it's time to cast your line. So for that you need to hold L2 and then press R2 on controller, which is in PC, right click and then left click. The longer you hold it, the further your line will go into the water. After the line is in the water, wait, don't press anything until you feel a strong rumble on your controller. That rumble means a fish has been bitten. When you feel it, press R2 on controller or left click on mouse to hook the fish. Once the fish is hooked, it's going to start struggling. When that happens, reel it in by rotating the right analog stick on the controller or by holding spacebar on the keyboard. After you catch a fish, you can either keep it or throw it back. Personally, there is not much reason to release it since you can sell it or donate it to your camp for food. And also guys, if you wanna catch a bigger fish or if you wanna have a bigger fish for food, then in that case you can follow this simple trick. Like you just need to use a weapon, simply kill the fish and just get into the water and pick it up. Now you can cook it or you can just keep it with you. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. I'll move to the next one. Bye bye.